Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you where is the save files or config files location on PC for the game Gears of War Reloaded game for the Xbox Game Pass players. So here follow the steps. Steps to find Gears of War Reloaded save game files. So open File Explorer, click on this PC, then go to C drive, users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder, then click on this view. In the drop down you will see show hidden items. So check mark hidden items, then open app data folder, then open local folder, then open packages folder. Within the packages folder, open this Microsoft.Pender_8, open this folder, then open system app data folder, then open XGS folder, and within the XGS folder open this alphanumeric folder, then open wargame folder, and then open the save data folder. Here you will find the save game files. Now go back, and when you are on the system app data folder, then open WGS folder, then open this random number folder, and then within that random number folder you will find the save game files. Now here follow the steps to find the Gears of War Reloaded config files location on PC for the Xbox Game Pass players. So go to C drive, then Xbox game folder, open Gears of War Reloaded folder, then open content folder, then open engine folder, then open config folder. Now here you will find the config files, and I think this is the base engine user settings file. I think you need this one. So by following these steps you can find the Gears of War Reloaded game save files and config files location on PC for the Xbox Game Pass players. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.